welcome to this session on machine learning basics. In this video, we will explore what the machine learning is, why it is important, and how it works and where it is used in real life. So, we will begin our session with the learning. So, machine learning is a field of artificial intelligence that enables systems to learn from the data instead of being manually programmed with the rules. Machine learning model discovers pattern automatically. As the model sees more data, it performs, improves, and meaning it becomes more accurate and reliable. And moving on the types of machine learning. So in this picture, as you see, and you can understand the types. Let me explain you. The first type is supervised learning. Basically, it uses labeled data. For example, if we want to predict house prices, we train the model using historical data where inputs and outputs are now. And then unsupervised learning. Basically, it works with the unlabeled data. It discovers pattern on its own, such as grouping similar customer or detecting anomalies. The third type is reinforcement learning. It based on trial and error. So the model interacts with an environment, receives reward, and gradually learns the best action. So moving on the workflow, the steps we follow in the machine learning. So we start with the data collection, gathering relevant information from the sensors, logs of database. Next, after data collection, the next stage is pre-processing, ensuring that data is clean. We remove missing values, handle outliers, and standardized features. And then comes with the model training, where the algorithm learns pattern from the data. After that, we do training. So we do testing the to evaluate how well the model performs on unseen data. Finally, in the deployment stage, the model is integrated into real-world applications where it makes predictions on decisions continuously. So moving on the application, or we can say real world application. So as you see in the picture, machine learning is used in the many life scenarios. In real world scenarios, it is used in the many sectors. uh, Machine learning is also used in the weather forecasting. It is used in the healthcare centers, like for the predicting like the disease and analyze the scan and personalize the treatment. In the finance sector, machine learning model detect fraud, assess risk, and automate investment decision. So, likewise, if you see, like in the e-commerce sector, like if the companies of e-commerce use machine learning for product and recommendation, dynamic pricing, and inventory forecasting. So, so manufacturing use of machine learning for quality also and automation. And of course, social media platform use machine learning for page recognizing, content filtering, and optimizing your feed. So, like if you see the real, like YouTube, like if you search the content, then the machine learning model of the YouTube, or we can say algorithm, is made in such a way that it will display you the what you want in the YouTube, like what content you are searching from the past time, then it will provide on the database. So machine learning uses the initial data, past data, then it make it remove the errors and make it the predicting the or forecasting the for future use. So finally, like I will provide you the roadmap you should follow for the further understanding. Like you should begin with the Python because it is the most popular language for machine learning. And next, you should be quite mathematically perfect. And you